QNT continues to see a bit of a breakdown move after losing our last line of support that lies between the 68.4 and the $63.1. And at the time of this recording, we have also lost the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, flipping it back into resistance in a move that has now given us a reset of the lows that we made on the 6th of September below the $56. And on today's video, I will be discussing the next key areas of supports that we need to continue holding, and above all discuss my long-term price prediction analysis. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the 4-hour chart, I have been giving you videos basing my analysis on these additive structures, where you can see that we saw a very nice bounce to the upside from the lows that we made on the 6th of September in a move that gave us a high above the $81, completing the formation of these additive count 1. Then we started a bit of a short-term pullback in an additive count 2, and I gave you the minimum pullback target areas for the second wave, highlighted on the charts using these blue target area, an area that we have now fully maximized. And you can see that at the time of this recording, we have now seen a break to the lower side of the target area, and that means that we have now hit invalidation points for this additive structure, and that means that whatever is playing out at the moment is a more bearish case scenario, and that means that in the next coming hours there are very high chances that we are going to continue seeing further breakdown moves. And I have my next target areas for this breakdown move at the lows that we made on the 5th of August, and that is at the $50.2. That is the next target area that I'm watching out for this breakdown move, because the alternative scenario is that from the lows that we made on the 5th of August, there are high chances that we have now peaked in an ABC corrective structure, and whatever is playing out at the moment could be the start of a very impulsive movement to the lower side, maybe in a 5-wave structure, in a move that can easily give us new bear market lows in the next coming days. And that is better explained using the daily chart, where you can see that from the bear market lows we saw a very nice bounce to the upside, and we peaked in a 5-wave structure over here in a move that gave us a high above the $229, completing the formation of these additive count 1. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of a larger additive count 2, whose minimum target areas I gave you by using the Fibonacci's, pulling the fibs from the bear market lows to the highs that we made in that additive count 1, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, an area that we have now fully maximized. And I have been saying to you that we need to see QNT holding above the fib level 0.88, which is the last line of support on the Fibonacci's, and that lies above the $62.1, where you can see that at the time of this recording we have now managed to lose that key area on the Fibonacci's, flipping it back into resistance. And that now increases the likelihood that we are going to see a total breakdown move in the next coming days, giving us a total reset of the bear market lows at the $40, and possibly giving us new bear market lows before we can start another 5-wave structure to the upside, possibly taking us to new all-time highs in this bull market. So that is all I'm expecting on the short term and also on the long term on the QNT chart, and let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.